Today I am going to show you how to make a bracelet using thread and beads. I have taken thick black thread to make the bracelet. You need a small piece of straw and few beads. I have taken different color beads. Let's start to make the bracelet. First you have to leave a small portion of thread as it is. Now next place the straw near the thread and find the exact center of the straw. Now starting from the center of the straw, you have to roll the thread on the straw 5 times. After rolling, you have to turn the straw as I have done in the video and insert the other end of the thread through the straw and pull it outside. Once you have pulled the thread, you can start to pull the straw also. After taking off the straw, you can tighten the knots by pulling the thread from both the sides. After making the first knot, you can insert a bead. So this is how it looks. Again you have to make another knot near the bead. When you are making the second knot, place the tip of the straw near the bead and then start to roll the thread on the straw 5 times. Again you can do the same procedure as you have done to make the first knot. When the second knot is ready, you have to tighten the knot by pulling the strings. But when you are pulling the strings and tightening the knot, make sure that the second knot is very close to the bead. If there is a gap in between the bead and the knot, the bracelet won't look good. Next you can insert another bead and start to make another knot. So you have to make total 5 knots for the bracelet. And after making each knot, you have to insert a bead. After making the 5 knots, this is how the bracelet looks. Next you have to make an adjustable knot to tie the bracelet. So for that you have to place the thread as I have done in the video, and you have to secure the thread with the help of cello tape. You have to take another piece of thread and place it below the thread which you have fixed on the table and put a small knot. Again you have to make knots as I am doing in the video. So the second thread you have to take it below all the threads and you have to pull from both the sides to make a knot. So you can repeat the same procedure, but ensure that you are taking the second thread below all the threads and pulling it from both the sides to get a knot. I have made 7 knots here. After making the knots, you can cut off the excess thread and remove the cello tape. This is how the bracelet looks. Now you can pull the threads from both the sides to adjust the bracelet. You could see small strands of thread coming out from the place where we have cut the thread using the scissors. So to keep all the threads in place, we have to show the thread on top of a cigar lighter. Last you can insert 2 beads at the end of the threads. After placing the beads, you can cut off the excess thread and show the tip of the thread on top of the zipper lighter as you have done before. Finally, the bracelet is ready. You can make the bracelet with same color beads also. I prefer using different colors. That's why I have shown the video using different color beads.